Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about squeegees for your shower, for your car. If you have these cheap squeegees at home, these ones here that break and they rip, you can see how these always rip. Just cheap quality plastic. You can't hang them. Where do you put them? They always fall. Acrylic, they fall apart. Just garbage. Put these to the side. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I want to feature. This was sent to me by Dancemoon, and they did compensate me to make this review. But honestly, this is a superior squeegee. It's got a big surface here, 10-inch swiping. This whole thing is encased in silicone. It's got its own little hanging right here, so you can hang it anywhere in the shower. I'm going to show you how to use this, so stay with me. It's all branded right here on top. Again, it feels really good. It's got steel underneath the silicone, so this is not this cheap plastic that's going to break. It's got the high quality feel for it. So you can do this. You can clean your shower. You clean the glass. You could clean the tile. Yeah, anything streak-free, a big 10-inch swap here, which is really nice. So much better than these cheap little cleaners. All right, let's get into the shower. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Okay, guys, you can see I'm in the shower here, and here is the actual squeegee right here. Absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to show you two different demonstrations, so stick with me. This is just wet. I just wet the shower a little bit. Then I'm going to soak it with water and suds, and I want to really see how well this squeegee works out. Comes in 4 different colors. Comes in like the gray. Comes in a sage green, black, and white. I have the black one here. Let me just give you an example how amazing this is here. Just one swipe. This thing is absolutely amazing. You can just see that is like fantastic how that's working. What I love about this encasement, it's all encased, so nothing's going to rip, nothing's going to break and tear. You can hang it when you're done. Just super easy. So that's a fantastic thing. So that just, and you can just see, swipe and absolutely perfectly clear, absolutely amazing. I love that. And it just works really, really well. So the other demonstration I want to do is I want to get this full of lather, and I want to show you again how this works. You can really appreciate it once it's all full of lather. Okay, better demonstrations. Now everything here, you can see this is all white with if you're cleaning your shower, you can clean the walls. Just swipe the walls, really easy. But if you want to get this clean, this is look at this demonstration. That right there is amazing. See that? Do it again. And then on the side here, you can just see one swipe and absolutely perfect. So you want to clean your shower? I use this to swipe down all the dirt when I'm cleaning. This is amazing. I absolutely love this thing here. Just wipe it off when you're done, let it dry and hang. An absolutely amazing, amazing product. I'm definitely going to recommend this. The proof is in the pudding. You can see this thing is really, really awesome. Just get to the edges, just like that. Perfect. I love this thing. Definitely, guys, pick this up. You can't go wrong. This is probably one of the best squeegees I've ever used. You've seen the ones in the beginning. They weren't the best. This one here, in my opinion, is the best. I'm going to love it. I'm going to use it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel for more videos just like this.